charisma, vodka with a spritzer, swagger down pat. Call my shit Patricia, Young Money Militia, and I am the commissioner. You don't want to start Weezy, cause the F is for finisher. So misunderstood, but what's the world without enigma? Two bitches at the same time, synchronized swimmers. Got the girl twisted, cause she open when you twist her. Never met the bitch, but I fuck her like I missed her. Life is the bitch, and death is her sister. Sleep is the cousin, what a fucking family picture. You know Father Time, and we all know Mother Nature. It's all in the family, but I am of no relation. No matter who's buying, I'm a celebration. Black and white diamonds, fuck segregation. Fuck that shit, I'm running up. You niggas just running up. Young girl, I'm running shit, and you niggas just running up. I don't feel like I'm enough, so I'ma keep on doing this shit. Like what you hell, you wanna fit it.
But will you still respect me if you get it?
All I can do is try.
It's somewhere out there stranded. I think you stand under me if you don't understand me. Had my heart broken by this woman named Tammy, but hoes gon' be hoes, so I couldn't blame Tammy. Just talk to moms, told her she the sweetest. I beat the beat up, call it self-defense. Swear man, I be seeing through these niggas like sequence. Niggas think they heathen, pow pow the end. Talking to myself because I am my own consultant. Married to the money, fuck the world, that's adultery. You full of shit, you close your mouth and let your ass talk. Young Money eating, all you haters do is ass talk. Stop playing, bitch, I got this game on deadbolt. Mine so sharp, I fuck around and cut my head off. Real nigga all day and tomorrow. But these motherfuckers talking crazy like they jaw broke. Glass half empty, half full, I'll spill ya. Try me and run into a wall outfielder. You know I'm a ball till they turn off the field lights. The fruits of my labor, I enjoy them while they still right. Bitch, stop playing, I do it like a king do. If these niggas stand rules, then I'ma have a mink soon. Tell them bitches I say put my name on the wall. I speak the truth, but I guess that's a foreign language to y'all. And I call it like I see it, and my glasses on. But most of y'all don't get the picture unless the flash is on. Satisfied with nothing, you don't know the half of it. Young money, cash money. Paper chase and tell that paper look, I'm right behind ya. Bitch, real G's moving silence like lasagna. People say I'm borderline crazy, sort of kinda. Woman of my dreams, I don't sleep so I can't find her. You niggas are gelatin, peanuts to an elephant. I got through that sentence like a subject and a predicate. Yeah, with a swag you would kill for. Money too strong, pockets on bodybuilder. Jumped in a wishing well, now wish me well. Tell him kiss my ass, call that kiss and tell. Yeah, word to my mama, I'm out of my llama bean. Don't wanna see what that drama mean. Get some drama mean, or I'ma scream hotter than summer sun on a Ghana queen. Now all I want is hits, bitch. Wayne signed a fiend. I play the side for you niggas just trying to front and see. Son of gun, son of Sam, you niggas the son of me. Pause for this dumber speech. I glow like Buddha. Disturb me and you'll be all over the flow like Luda. Bitch, I flow like scuba. Bitch, I'm bold like Cuba, and I keep a killer hoe.
And still anybody's game with just under 7 minutes to play. Rondo got by Thomas. Finds Allen for three. And Daquan Cook comes flying down with a rebound. Coach the Celtics, normally a very good three-point shooting team. Not tonight. 4 of 18 from downtown.
Roy Allen 0 for 5 from the three-point line. In another year and a half, Allen's going to have the record for the best three-point shooter in the history of the NBA.
Kendrick Perkins with a rebound. Rondo inventing a shot. How did he put that home? What a play by Rondo. Yes, the last 4 for Boston. They'd even the game at 76.
And he had to get that over the outstretched hands of Dwayne Wade trying to track him down from behind. I think that he might